Hi everyone, I'm Kelly. Thank you and welcome to this video. Day 1, 12 days of Craftmas. Today is the 12th, and I'm starting today because it's my husband's birthday. I'm a little bit older than him, but for the next few months we are the same age. My earrings today are these little penguins. They have Santa hats on and sparkly tummies. And I wanted to show you this ornament. It is made just by putting fabric onto a surface with Mod Podge. This happens to be a plastic ball. You can use pretty much anything you want to decoupage on, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to give you a little bit of information about how to do this, so stay tuned. To make these ornaments, you obviously need some kind of ornament shape. These are plastic, different sizes. I have used glass before successfully, totally fine. Styrofoam. Even an old ornament you no longer like, cover it up. Fabric that has a smallish print, or it could be smallish, or something overall like this, works better than a big print. Although you could use it, your ball would just look different. It's still okay. You also need decoupage glue of some sort. I like using Mod Podge. And a brush. I find these kind of brushes are better than the foamy ones, just because you get a little bit more force when you're pushing it down. If you are going to use a styrofoam ornament, you will have to stick a hole in the top of it. This is for your ribbon. Doesn't have to be too deep, just make sure you have a hole. And then start your decoupage from the bottom and work up. When you get close, make a knot in the ribbon, stick it in, and then decoupage up to the ribbon to hold it securely. Plastic ball with the blue fabric, just for now. I don't have time to finish it at the moment. It could be for Christmas next year. But you see how kind of simple it is? Obviously a lot of other people think so too, because I originally uploaded the video on how to do this from November of 2019, 6 years ago, and it is by far my most popular video, with over 23,000 views. So I guess everybody thinks it's a simple thing to do, and a good thing to do as a Christmas gift. I made these a few years back. I save up a stash, so I'm going to give these to friends for Christmas. These are done with styrofoam balls. A little smaller, but equally cute. Use whatever you like for a ribbon. If you're going to do this, have fun. Take care, bye-bye, and Merry Christmas.